Hello, welcome to my channel. Are you currently experiencing slow computer boot time and screen freezing while you are working on your system? Is your computer taking time to load sometimes, or are you experiencing slow browsing time? I am here to help you out. Uh, I'm about to share with you three important methods you can use to bring back your system to life. The only thing you owe us in this channel is to subscribe and share this video with your friends as a way of encouraging us. And especially after trying these methods and you find out that your system is really back to normal and it's working as fast as you wished, don't fail to subscribe to our channel, please. Here are the three important steps you have to follow. The first step involves disabling and enabling some of the applications that are currently running in your system. Some of these applications tend to drag backward the performance of your computer whenever you press your start button. And to do that, just go to your Windows search bar and type Task Manager. Task Manager, you can see it as a come up, just click open and you are going to have a view of all the applications and softwares that are currently running your system. Just proceed to the startup apps and click on it, and here you have the list of all the applications that currently boot along whenever you press your computer start button. Most of these applications you don't need them always, and you have to disable anyone that you don't always need. And how do you do that? Just delete anyone that you don't always need. For instance, I don't always need a Microsoft Edge, and the impact is not measured. So I have to select it and then go up here and click disable. And that disables Microsoft Edge on my system. The same thing applies to any of these applications. Just select it and go up here to enable or disable as the case may be. So that's the simplest way to make your computer to run faster. And once you are done with that, just go up here and close the interface and restart your system. And I bet you your system is going to run faster. Let me also show you the second step. In case this first step fails to work for you, just proceed to the Windows search bar as usual. And this time around, you have to type run, R-U-N, and it has come up. You just click open. Let me bring it up here. And here, just type temp. Temp stands for temporary folder or temporary file, the case may be. Just click on it, and you are going to see all the temporary files that tend to clog the performance of your computer. Just go to your keyboards and just press Ctrl A, and that will select all the temporary files you have. I don't have so many this time around because I did the cleanup not quite long. But your own case, you are going to maybe have so many temporary files that you need to delete. And once you've selected the temporary files, just right click any of them and delete, and that solves your problem. So this is the simplest method you can adapt if you want to make your computer to run faster and perform better for your work. I hope this will really solve your problem. The only thing you owe us, like I said from the beginning, is to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends who might benefit from these simple steps I've just shared with you. Thanks and God bless.